So are you a runner? Have you run before? Are you a jogger? Are you somebody committed to a sport for your own betterment, for your own recreation, for your own heartbeat? I used to run actively. I still run sporadically now, and I'm standing outside, ironically, a car rental place to get a car this morning. I just ran a couple of the miles on the way here from my house. And I'd ask you, what's your commitment to yourself? Because that's what connecting is about. What's your commitment? What are you dedicated to? If you're a runner, you're going to know exactly what I'm going to say next. You set micro goals for yourself, especially in the beginning, or when it's hard, or when it's uphill, or when it's the thing you think you don't want to do. You set micro goals. Oh, to that next sign, to that next building, to that next whatever, until you get there. You've got to believe in yourself. That's what connecting is, a unshakable belief in yourself that you can do your work, make your magic come to life. So tell me what kind of micro goals you set for yourself when you're connecting. And when you want some help from me, let me know. Coaching, speaking, training, I am here for you because I want to make sure that I develop leaders into world-class connectors. And if that's you, let's work together. And remember, it's always a great day to connect.